Okay, in our cross sleeve series, I'm going to get a cross sleeve grip on Brian here. I get a high collar grip. I reach across and grab his sleeve, and I pop his wrist down as I pop my elbow up to break the grip. And now I draw him forward. He takes a big step with his left foot. This creates a situation where he's easily off balance to his left rear corner. My grip is inside of his collar, high in his collar, and on the end of the sleeve, I pull the collar in the direction where he's off balance, lift his arm, and I'm going to reap the bottom of the backside of his heel with the bottom of my foot. I lift his foot in the direction that his toes are pointed. When he falls, it presents an easy opportunity for me to drop down into a reverse grip Kimura. Okay, so now we're doing what I refer to as a recoil O-soto-gari. So still I'm going to get a high collar grip, I'm going to grab the sleeve, I'm going to break that grip loose. I draw right in. This time he reacts to it by pulling himself back. He pulls that sleeve out of my hand and takes a big step backwards. So let's go to that point again. So here, and as he does that, I re-grab the sleeve that's holding onto my lapel. I step in and I reach his leg for an O-soto-gari. Okay? So let's do that separately. So we're here, I get my high collar grip, I get the cross sleeve grip, I draw Brian in, he takes a big step back, I follow him like that with my O-soto-gari. From here, very easy, you need to go into a Kimura, an arm lock, various different chokes. So very easy to attack from that position. Okay, we're going to show you a version of Kata-guruma from a cross lapel grip. So this one doesn't involve grabbing the leg, right? So this is actually legal for Judo, but great for Jiu-jitsu as well. So if I have a cross collar grip on Brian, and I have a hold of his arm right now, what's going to typically happen is he's going to predict, or he's going to feel that I may try to come in with a Marote Senaki or a Taioto or something like that, where I'm going to rotate 180 degrees or so, right? Now as that's happening, typically the reaction to that is for him to kind of run, what I call run away from it. So he goes away from it. So what I'm going to do is strip the grip as he's moving away from me. Keep going, keep going. As he's moving away, I push that arm across. I drop to my left knee, right between his feet. I'm holding onto the sleeve to keep my posture up. I'm pulling on his lapel and his sleeve. Now when I drop to this knee, I can either sit out. I prefer to drop knee, and I'll show you why in a second. When I drop the knee down, I'm pulling on everything right here and kind of raising my elbow up almost between his legs, right? So as I drop the knee down, he goes over the top, lands. Now, the cool part about this is because of the grip that I have, I'm able to go right into a bread cutter choke off of this technique.